everyone, my name is Bernalyn, and I'm going to be performing my DNA test so that I can submit it to the lab to get my Ütrition on its way. But first, what I'm going to do, and I've already done it already, is I started with registering my kit online so that they know my swab is on its way. And right now I'm going to show you, I'm going to do the DNA test. You're going to get 2 of these little swab sticks, and this is what you're going to use to basically test your DNA. So what you want to do is take the stick and then for 10 seconds vigorously inside your cheek. And put it back in this little pouch. And inside your kit comes with this little black envelope for sanitary reasons. You want to put it back in there. So I'm going to take the second one so that they can get an accurate DNA reading. I'm so excited about this. 10 seconds. And then put it back in the little swab in this kit. Inside your box, you're gonna get a self-adjust stamp. So there's a little sticker here. Make sure you seal it. And there's a self-addressed stamp that you put your little black envelope in. Which you're gonna submit to the lab, that within 2 weeks they're gonna get your DNA reading, and it's going to break down what it is that you're going to need for your Ütrition. And what's inside the kit too is now I have a $100 voucher, so I get a discount of $100 for my DNA test. And I'm looking forward to my 39-page detailed DNA report that will tell me what it is that I need to do to be on the right track to health. So thank you so much, Üforia, for giving me the roadmap to better health.